What's going on, guys? It's your boy Spotter back with a brand new video. First things first, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that notification button and please hit the like button. I greatly appreciate it. And also share with your friends and family. I hope everybody's being safe. I got here a special nice video for you guys here. As you can see here, I got a brand new unboxing for the Mavic Air 2. And we're going to get to the unboxing. What's up, guys? As you can see here, I got the new Mavic Air 2. Just came in the mail, straight out of the FedEx box right here into my hands. And you can see here, haven't even opened yet, still got the plastic over it. You can see here in the corner, have not opened it yet, so I'm pretty excited. Comes in here with a bunch of goodies. This is the regular one. This is the not the Fly More combo. This is the basic one you get for $800. So you got the drone itself here. You got the controller, the cable, a battery, a power adapter, an AC power adapter, propellers, and 2 control sticks, and a USB cable in the manual. Obviously, it works on Apple and Android, all that good stuff, and it comes with DJI Care if you renew it online. So yeah, this is it, the Mavic Air 2. Pretty much, I love the Mavic series, and I'm obsessed with the Mavic series, and I'll probably won't stop buying all the new Mavic Air stuff, Mavic Air series in general. You know, I got the Mavic 2 Pro, I got the Mavic Mini, now I have here the Mavic Air 2. The first Air, I thought was kind of neat, but I didn't get into the Air. I bought the Mavic Pro first, and then later on, the first Mavic Pro came out first, and then the first Air came out later on after that. Then I went straight to Mavic 2 Pro. But this is somewhere between the Mavic Mini and the Mavic 2 Pro. But this one actually has a bit more higher specs, 48 megapixel, 4K, 60 frames per second, which my Mavic 2 Pro doesn't do. But I'll get more to detail later on about that. But right now, we're going to start unboxing. That's the main focus on this video. We're going to unbox this bad boy. So bear with me. Let me get the corners here. Slice right here. Bang. Bang. And bang right here. There we go. And let's take that wrapper right out. This is the best part right here, man. This is the best part. There you go. Throw that wrapper away. Here we go. Let me lift it up. I got you guys. Nice and slow. Oh, that was sexy right there. Put the box side away. And boom, there you have it. First thing you see here is the drone itself. Looking good. Take that bad boy out. Oh man, this is nice. This is the new thing now. So check this out, right? It has the ADS air sense, ADS-B air sense. Basically, it detects if there's an aircraft near the drone or not too far from the drone, and it lets me notifies you, and then it'll tell me, hey, lower your drone down. There's an aircraft passing by, which is a new feature that they're pushing out now on these new drones now, especially new DJI ones. They're trying to push all this stuff out, but this thing, the weight feels great. That thing's nice and light. We got the sensors. We got the sensors in the bottom. We got the sensors here. The LED light comes with the light. Got sensors in the front, sensors in the back, but no sensors up top whatsoever, and no sensors on the side like the Mavic 2 Pro. They're usually sensors on the side here. But let's start unfolding this. Oh man, this is dope. Oh, it feels good. That thing feels good. Take out the battery. Oh wow, it's even lighter without the battery. Nice little battery here. You know, it's nice. The battery here, peel that later. But this is awesome right here. And you got the 48 megapixel half-inch sensor here. This has a bit more smaller sensor than the Mavic 2 Pro, but this is like pretty much this is actually a very good. It feels very good and quality built. It feels very nice. Doesn't feel cheap. Doesn't feel plasticky. But this is nice. I like the way it feels. The Mavic Mini felt a bit cheap, felt a little bit lighter and cheaper in a way, but like this one feels very good. So let me place this down here. I'm gonna see what else is in the box for us. Put that right there. So it has a little pull tab right here. There you go. Here we go. This is what the biggest thing is about, is the controller. Yeah, this controller. This is a pretty big controller. Apparently, you could put your phone. You used to put your phone in the bottom. Now, booyah! Now you could put your phone up top here, connect it, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. You're good. And you got the sticks in the bottom. Put them right there. Pretty big controller. The Mavic 2 Pro controller, the original controller, is really small, and you put like I said, you put the phone at the bottom of it. But what this is on top, and the antennas this is the antenna. You don't gotta like fold up the antennas anymore. Now it's like right here. You just push down, pop it out like that, and boom, you got the antenna. Let me put in the other joystick in. But apparently this thing goes up to 6.2 miles. You know, that's a bit. It's good. It's good. The fact that they push up, they go a little farther out, but it gives you better. It's not about how far you go. Remember, we need to keep these drones visual line of sight. Gotta keep things professional out here. You know what I'm saying? But this right here, this feels great. You got the tripod mode, normal mode, sport mode. You got the push the home button right here. So everything's good. What's this here? Is antennas. Okay, you got the capture video here. You got the gimbal control here. This feels great. This feels nice. So you have that. So the drone, the controller here. You got some instructions. Nobody reads that. Pull out another box right here. I like the package. It came nice with the package. Remember, this is the basic one. This is not the fly more combo, because I wasn't too sure if I'm gonna like the drone or, you know. So there goes your power adapter back. You got your power cord, and pretty much you put the drone. You connect the drone. Excuse me, the battery to here. I'm assuming you connect it like this or whatever. I don't know. I'll figure it out later. But that's what it seems like it's connecting it to. Oh yeah, you just put. Oh yeah, absolutely. Just put it like this. You plug it in like this. Oh, there you go. Plug it in like that, and there you go. You just start charging like that. I ordered the charging pack, the extra charging adapters. You could charge multiple batteries at the same time. I ordered that part. So, but that's awesome. So you got that. So you got the power cord, and you have some extra joysticks. What's this? Oh, this is interesting. Oh, it has extra attachments of the phone you got. So you got Type C's. You got the micro USB. Oh, this is dope. I like this. This is nice. I don't want to mess that up. That looks nice. It comes with extra attachment. This way you can replace this part right here, like for your iPhone, and you can replace it with these and attach it to that, which is great. That looks awesome. Any more goodies in here? What we got here? A USB-C cord. What else we got? Okay, extra propellers. Extra propellers here. And what else we got here? And more propellers. Wow. Awesome stuff. The propellers, obviously. Yeah, all four. Yeah. That's it. That's pretty much what we have here. And that thing, this is awesome. Is that any more tricks? No, that's it. That's pretty much it. That's all the goodies I have here. That's pretty much all the stuff. So you have here the attachments, the different connection to your smart device. You got the controller. You have it comes with a USB-C port charger. You got the wired power cord wire, and then you got the adapter to charge up the batteries, and then you got the four propellers. So that pretty much sums up the unboxing of this video. Please hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification button. Please share it to your friends and family. And I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.